In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this professional resume in Microsoft Word in a simple way. First, you need to open Microsoft Word, go to Layout, select Margin, select this margin 0.5, then go to Size, select A4 size in here. Go to Insert, select Shape, select Text Box in here, draw the text box, adjust the size in here, then adjust the position. Now shape fill with no fill, shape outline with no outline. Now add name, make it bold, increase the font to 20 and you can change the color to give some twist. Now decrease the font and you can add now about or summary in here. Now go to insert, go to picture and add picture and do this for easy movement. Go to crop, adjust the picture size and crop it according to your preference. Decrease the picture and adjust the position in here. Now you see this is the problem. To avoid this, do this before you start making the resume. Again, go to shape, select text box, draw the text box in here, shape fill with no fill and shape outline with no outline. Now add contact information in here. Now again, add icon in here and make it same size for all the icon and do this for easy movement. Wrap text in front of text. Do the same for all the icon. Now adjust position in here. Now again go to insert, select shape and draw a line and customize it with color and size and copy paste this and adjust the position in here. Now again go to shape and draw a text box in here, adjust the size and shape fill with color and outline with no outline. Now again go to shape, draw a text box in here and adjust the position in here and customize it. Now add professional experience, mentioning job title, duration, company name and location, and job description. Use action verb, technical term to describe what you do. Use keyword and skill set to describe how you do. Use result oriented metrics to describe what is the impact you bring to the company. Now add professional skills in here, and for this I select Times New Roman font and font size 16 and you can choose this color, and if you look for the bullet point you can select from here. Now add digital skills in here. Now add education, adjust the position. When you add education, mention these things: degree name, graduation year, university name, location, CGPA if you want. Now you can insert some gaps in here. Now you can add project work according to your experience. You can add some training work if you want in this section. Plus you can add some certification in here. Then you can add coursework or award section in here. Plus you can add hobbies or interests to break the ice of the interview. Now go to insert, go to shape, draw the line in here and customize it. Copy paste and adjust the position. Now cross check to avoid any grammatical error and export it as PDF file and save it. Thank you.